Yeah, a quick trade recap. Today was also a big loss day. Now this time I was decreasing lot size, but also because I had to, because I was getting closer to maximum loss. So it's kind of now a dangerous place to be. So I'm forced to have like a small lot size for the next trade, so I can slowly get back to it. But as you can see, I got stopped out. At the beginning, it wasn't looking too bad, but as you can see, boom, all the way down. And yeah, to be honest, I can't really tell what actually happened. It just, it just happened out of a sudden. And I just checked the news, like the live news, and seems like, that these things kind of were going on. The US dollar fell more than 100 points against the Japanese yen in the short term, reaching a low of and yeah, I don't really understand where this is coming from. Um, I have to look it up if some news are coming afterwards. It's just like immediate, like, boom, way to the bottom. So, yeah, I kind of have to check this, what the reason was, because right now there's like no clear evidence. I can imagine, it might be has something to do with the probability for the upcoming uh, government shutdown. But today there was no high impact news, as you can see, nothing particular. All the big things are coming tomorrow, but yeah, this was like just kind of unexpected. And yeah, I know sometimes it can happen that some sudden this small distribution like this can happen, but it happened a bit too many times in a row, so this is like a bit odd. But anyways, long story short, let's get to the trade recap. I wanted to go long for USDCHF. Why? Because we always had higher highs and higher lows, breakup structures. At this point, it kind of stopped. So it was a bit, kind of a double-edged sword. I thought I would maybe go short, but I was not going. Also because I don't like, this kind of entry model, only a small consolidation. In other words, support and what was the other word? Oh, I'm forgetting everything. So a resistance, exactly, having some small resistance and a tiny sweep, but yeah, that's not the way I trade. It was going back down, it looked like it's going to form a new lower high. It got into this order block, everything good so far. Actually, I got stopped out, I re-entered because I tried to enter off this fair value gap and my stop loss was here at the fair value gap end. So I entered off the order block, but as you can see, I got stopped out. And also, earlier, I tried to take a long on USDCHF because we had here resistance, I mean support going on, but at the same time we also had lower highs. So I was expecting, okay, one last retracement before it's going all the way down. So I tried to take a scalp from the sweep of this low and set target at the swing high. But as you can see, also got stopped out at this one, but here I had like a way larger, lot size. So the loss was, compared to the other one, a bit more significant. And yeah, so today and yesterday really wasn't like it wasn't it, if you want so. And from here on, I really don't see any setup. And yeah, probably the setup might become later, but yeah. I think I even tried to take this trade on the AUD USD, but I don't know if I took one. I don't think so, to be honest. But yeah, what I can definitely tell is I yeah, this was just like a very, unexpected price action. So again, I tried to look it up what kind of cost this. This can happen sometimes, but I also have to be fair to a certain point. It was a bit like iffy price action today because I was even thinking about to not take any trades at all, but I decided to do, otherwise. And as you can see, it was not going to my, it was, the market was not in my favor. So today I had to mark significant losses. And yeah, so this means tomorrow, in case if there's like a setup or something like that, I have to be careful. I have to keep my eyes peeled and definitely decrease the lot size so I don't blow up the account like the last one last week, which was a very unfortunate accident. And yeah, so with that being said, that's all trade recap. A bigger loss today. Nah, not very cool, but yeah, it happens. With that being said, cheers.